So now in this video we will discuss the next tool, which is called Art History Brush tool. So first open the image, then go to Window and History panel. Open this panel. Now you can see the history here like we opened the image. So this is the first step. Now if we click here and click on the solid color, and like we create a solid layer, you can see here now color fill 1 and new color fill layer. That is the next step we can see in the history. Now we can go to layer and rasterize this layer. So we have rasterized the layer. Now select Art History Brush tool, and if you want to change the size you can. Now if you use here, so some colors of the images, like if you select this option, loose color curl long, so you can see the color from images will appear. If we select like dab, we can see like this so if you select like tight shot, you can see, and if you select loose medium, so like this, the colors it will pick from the image as it was there in image, you can see. So this is also a very nice tool. Thank you very much for watching.